Holding on feels safe, but freedom begins with release. We cling because we fear that what leaves will take meaning with it. But life isn't built by what we keep. It's built by what we allow to move through us. Letting go isn't loss, it's alignment. We are taught to grasp, to hold the moment, the person, the dream, as if tightening our grip could stop time. But everything in nature moves. Rivers flow, seasons turn, even mountains erode under the patience of wind. What makes us think we should remain unchanged? Letting go is not forgetting. It's remembering who you are without what you've lost. It's the art of loosening the hand without closing the heart. When we stop clutching, we realize that love doesn't need possession to exist. It's like sunlight. You can't hold it, but it warms you while it's here. Most pain in life doesn't come from endings. It comes from resistance to them. We suffer because we want permanence in a world built on rhythm. Every wave must fall back to the ocean. Every inhale must release, and the same law that takes also gives. When one thing leaves, it makes space for the next to arrive. The wisdom of nature is in its willingness to move on. Trees don't mourn their leaves. They let go so new ones can grow. The tide doesn't resist retreat. It knows the next surge is already forming. If we lived with the same faith in cycles, we'd see that endings are never empty. They are transitions in disguise. Letting go begins in the mind, but it frees the body. You can feel attachment in the muscles, the shoulders raised, the breath shortened, the stomach tight. Each thought of holding on adds another layer of armor, but peace can't enter a clenched space. It needs softness to land. Control is the heaviest illusion. We try to manage outcomes, people, and even time itself, as if the world were clay and we were its sculptors. But the more we tighten, the less we shape. Real creation happens in cooperation, not command. When we let go of control, we don't fall into chaos. We fall into rhythm. We begin to move with life instead of against it. Letting go isn't giving up, it's giving over. It's surrendering the need to force what was never meant to stay. Some things end not because they failed, but because they fulfilled their purpose. A chapter closes not as punishment, but as punctuation, a necessary pause so the next sentence can make sense. The art of letting go begins with acceptance. Acceptance doesn't mean approval. It means honesty, seeing what is without decorating it with denial. Only when we stop arguing with reality can we learn from it. Clarity appears the moment resistance relaxes. Sometimes we fear that letting go will make us empty. But emptiness isn't absence, it's readiness. It's the fertile ground where the new can root. Holding on crowds that soil with what has already lived its life. Freedom is simply the space where life can replant itself. Detachment is not coldness. It's warmth without demand. It's loving someone enough to wish them peace, even if their path moves away from yours. It's trusting that connection doesn't need possession. Real love breathes, inhalation and release, presence and space. When love stops moving, it stops living. In the quiet after loss, there is a strange kind of grace. We begin to see that what left was never truly ours, only borrowed for a time. The beauty of existence lies in this impermanence. Every sunset, every goodbye, every heartbeat, is a reminder that meaning doesn't depend on forever. It depends on being fully here now before the next change arrives. The calm mind knows how to release gently. It doesn't rush closure. It allows the wave to complete itself. It breathes through endings, the way the earth exhales through dusk. The more we trust this rhythm, the less we fear transition. Think of all the things you once thought you couldn't live without, and yet here you are. Lighter, wiser, still breathing. What left didn't take you. It returned you to yourself. The same self that existed before the attachment Now more open, more still, more free. Letting go doesn't erase what was. It releases what isn't anymore. It honors what served its purpose and bows to what remains. It's gratitude in motion, a way of saying thank you for what shaped me and goodbye to what no longer does. Release is the final art of design. It's editing the self with compassion, removing what clutters the space so the essential can breathe again. The designer knows that absence is not failure, it's clarity, and the same is true in life. We lose nothing real when we let go, only the illusion of control. If this moment brought you calm, stay a while, subscribe, and let this space remind you that freedom isn't found by holding tighter, but by opening wider. Every day we return here to breathe, to release, and to remember that life flows best through open hands. This is Form Within Mind, where calm takes shape.